Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: the app installed, an active account, and a primary graph ready. Once done, open Roam Natalia and create or select the graph you'll work in. Make sure sync and backups are enabled to avoid data loss. Next, open the daily notes to anchor your initial actions and import a minimal dataset or template to test structure. Don't skip permission checks. If the app can't write to disk, stop and fix that before proceeding to content creation. You now build the middle structure. Create projects, inbox, and reference pages, and decide a linking convention. Use atomic blocks so each idea is its own unit, and connect them with backlinks to maintain context. This enables flexible reuse. Once established, add properties to pages for status, dates, and priorities. This lets you filter and query. Also import or create templates for recurring note types, and map keyboard shortcuts so high-frequency actions become fast and reliable. You finish by validating. Run a few queries to confirm links, tags, and properties behave as expected, and then export a backup copy of your graph. Once satisfied, refine templates and adjust your page hierarchy if queries reveal gaps. If things go wrong, sync errors, missing blocks, or corrupted imports, first check your account credentials, network connection, and storage limits, then restore the exported backup and re-import incrementally. Finally, document any changes so you can reproduce or revert them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.